Folks, we're making a little video here today for Michael at HEMI Autos. He's posted my car for sale. We have two Hellelephants here up in Canada that we built this winter. And this car is not sold yet. This is a 68. And I just want to talk, this is a Hellelephant. This is the 1,000 horsepower motor. There's only two motors here that I know of in this area. There was 100 made total, and I got two of them. So we did everything under here we could to make it look pretty for you. Everything is all chrome or stainless steel. Scott, my mechanic here that's assembling my cars from 22 Racing, has powder coated all the pipes and everything. We have really nice red valve covers going on here in the next day or so. But this car is ready to fire up this week, and the upholstery is on May the 11th, and this car will be ready to go. So I'll take you around the car, show you we got all Wilwood brake system set up. Everything is brand new, every nut and bolt is brand new. Stainless steel hood hinges. This 68 came out of Seattle. It is a mini tub in the rear end. We do all of the cars old style with new gauges. It's all computerized. The whole works is all tied in to talk to the Hellelephant motor. Pretty well, that's it inside. Custom steering wheel, Flaming River steering column. This is the back end of the car. We got the Bumblebee stripe. Brand new bumpers, brand new lights. Every piece of chrome is brand new, brand new. Everything is absolutely gorgeous. Batteries in the back of this car. We are pretty well ready for interior. I don't think there's much left here to go. It's all new glass, mirror on each side, new emblems, Hellelephants, which are hard to find, hard to get. You're going to have 1,000 horsepower. We're running with a Silver Sport automatic transmission with a 4L60. Hopefully we'll hold the engine down. I'm not sure. I think it'll be okay. We'll find out very shortly. So folks, we've got the car up in the hoist now. Every one of my cars that I build is a Riley Motorsports front end. It's a complete system that's bolted right into the frame, as you can see here. It's disc brakes, Wilwood brake system, coil-over shocks, all stainless steel. This oil pan, everything, it's all been changed because we have the power steering rack. This is the turbo the 4L60 automatic transmission is all ready to go. It's in place. We've powder coated all the headers. Every brake cable, every hose, every clip is absolutely brand new. Mufflers are on this car. All the exhaust system has been all painted with heat coat paint, so it's going to be good. We have a DTS Dana 60 rear end in this car. This is a Caltrack system. First of all, it's a free control suspension coilovers in this car because it's mini tubbed, and you can get a little bigger tire on this, which we thought we'd need with the 1,000 horsepower. So this car is everything brand new. Everything, like I said in my original video on YouTube, every single nut and bolt is brand new. This will be ready around the May 15th, and Michael from HEMI Autos will be handling all the phone calls for this video. And I think whoever gets this is going to be one lucky guy. So take care, folks. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon, I hope.